Experience student living at its finest at the Ivy Tampa, your one-stop destination for lifelong friends, ultimate comfort, and campus proximity. Choose from charming 2 to 4 bedroom apartments and opulent studios, with private and shared bathrooms, a cloud-like bed for dreamy sleeps, ideal focus nook, an in-unit washer and dryer for breezy laundry. Stay fit with on-demand fitness classes, cardio machines, and circuit weight training, or challenge your friends to some sand volleyball. Join the Ivy Swim Club and dive into the sparkling resort-style pool. No teary goodbyes with your fur babies needed. This pet-friendly property even has a dog park for them to run around. If you're flying solo, there's roommate matching available to find the most compatible companions. Enjoy the short drive to the University of South Florida and Riverside Heights, minutes away, with Bruce B. Downs Boulevard bus stops just a few steps away. Adventures around the city are super easy. Unlock a world of culinary adventures with top-notch restaurants all around you. So, book your spot at the Ivy Tampa now with amberstudent.com.